Hi, I can remove this mask because I'm alone, but you don't do that. You always keep the mask on. Let it be in N95. Greetings. I'm speaking to you today on behalf of my colleagues and my hospitals on a very important issue which could become an impending disaster to our communities, our country, our city, our state. So I thought I must have a dialogue with you on this. The COVID second wave is at its peak. The only way to combat this is to give vaccination to everybody in the country. The government is now opening up vaccination to everybody above 18 years of age. They are going to ramp up the stocks of vaccine. Trust them. There will be vaccine from the country, vaccine from outside. There will be a lot of centers which will vaccinate. All of you will get vaccinated. In this confusion, one problem the country could face, and that is patients, large number of patients who are requiring blood transfusions may get into problem which could be life-threatening problems. When you undergo a vaccination, 18 years to 45 years is the main age group in which people donate their blood. There's a large number of people in this country who require blood transfusion. One person donates a bottle of blood, he can save 3 lives. From that bottle of blood, we could draw red blood cells for somebody who needs hemoglobin, plasma, fresh frozen plasma to those who require volume, proteins, and so on and so forth. And we can take out components like the cryoprecipitate, the platelets, and help a lot of people who have disorders which can make them bleed to death. The country, you must know, that has got almost 15 lakh cancer patients requiring blood transfusion every year, and at any given time. There are almost 18 lakh people who die on the road annually because of road traffic accident, and many fold more numbers of this will be the people who will suffer with major injuries on the road and may require blood transfusion. The WHO, the World Health Organization, has told that if a country's 1% population donates blood, that's enough for the whole country. At any given time, our country is lacking about 15 lakh people to donate more. But that is a problem at large. Now, after the vaccination starts, once the vaccine is given, the next vaccine you take anywhere between 4 to 10 weeks. But according to the guidelines of the Blood Transfusion Committee, after 28 days, you could donate your blood and then take the second dose. But a lot of people will refuse to do that. One may be afraid of doing that. There would be a lot of confusion. And in this whole confusion, all the potential blood donors are suddenly going to disappear for the needy people. Right now, the report from the National Blood Transfusion or blood banking sources is that there's a 30% drop in the blood donation already. And if this happens, I don't know how many people are going to suffer and may even sometimes meet a mortality because they did not have blood. It could be somebody near and dear to you, and God forbid it could be you yourself. So the message is that in our city, in our state, in this country, all of you who are willing to donate now before you take the vaccine. There could be a lot of theories that will flow, a lot of things you'll read in media, this way, that way, this way, that way. But the bottom line is a lot of you will not be willing to donate later on for quite some time because you have to finish 2 doses and 28 days after the second dose. In between, you may not be willing. So this is a large number of people who may have life-threatening situations without availability of blood or blood products. So please donate blood. That's a request for all the people who may suffer without blood donation. Thank you very much.